Imagine a village. Every year, more babies are born than people die. That means the village is growing, its population is increasing. Now just imagine that happening all over the world. That's what we call world population growth. For most of human history, this growth happened very slowly. People didn't have the medicines or food to keep everyone healthy. Many babies and children died young, but things changed dramatically in the last few centuries. We'll see why. Let's go back in time, way back. For thousands and thousands of years, the world's population stayed small. Around the year 1, there were only about 300 million people on Earth, less than half the population of the United States today. It took centuries for that number to double. By the year 1000, there were around 600 million people. Life was hard for most, with limited food and frequent illnesses. It wasn't until 1804 that the world population reached 1 billion. That's a long time for the number of people on Earth to grow by just 700 million. Something amazing happened after 1800. The world population began to grow much faster. Why? Because of incredible discoveries and changes in how we lived. People learned about germs and hygiene, leading to cleaner water and better sanitation. This meant fewer people, especially children, died from diseases. At the same time, new farming techniques helped grow more food for a growing population. With better living conditions and more food, more people survived to adulthood and had their own families. This led to a population boom. Not all countries' populations grow at the same pace. Take Brazil, for example. In the 20th century, Brazil's population exploded, growing from 17 million to over 200 million. This was due to improved healthcare, better living conditions, and a high birth rate. Now look at Japan. Japan also saw huge population growth after World War II. But today, their population is actually shrinking. People are having fewer children, and the average lifespan is very long. These two countries show us that population growth is a complex issue with many factors influencing it. One of the biggest reasons for the population boom is that we're living much longer. In the past, it was pretty common for people to die from diseases we can easily treat today. Vaccines now protect us from deadly illnesses like measles and polio. Antibiotics fight bacterial infections that once killed millions. Better nutrition and healthcare mean healthier mothers and babies. All this means people are living longer and healthier lives. While a larger population means more creativity, innovation, and progress, it also puts a strain on our planet. More people mean we need more resources like water, food, and energy. This can lead to deforestation, water shortages, and pollution. Climate change is another concern. As the population grows, we consume more resources and produce more greenhouse gases, leading to a warmer planet and more extreme weather. Finding ways to live sustainably on Earth is one of the biggest challenges we face. While some countries have booming populations, others are experiencing the opposite, shrinking populations. This is happening in countries like Japan, Italy, and Russia. Why? One reason is that people are having fewer children. As women become more educated and have more opportunities, they often choose to have smaller families. In some countries, the cost of raising children is also a factor. Experts predict that the world population will continue to grow, but at a slower pace than before. By 2100, the global population is expected to reach around 10 billion people. It's hard to say for sure what the future holds, but one thing is certain. We need to find ways to ensure everyone on Earth has access to a good quality of life, while also protecting our planet for future generations. The journey from 1 billion to 8.2 billion people is a story of incredible human ingenuity and resilience. But it also reminds us of our responsibility to care for each other and the planet we share. By investing in education, healthcare, and sustainable technologies, we can create a future where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. This means using resources wisely, protecting our environment, and working together to solve global challenges. Our future depends on it.